Let's go ahead and install the Agile Offroad spare tire cage extension brackets.
Here's a quick fix if you're running oversized tires on a Mercedes Sprinter van, in this case a Winnebago Revel. It's the Agile Offroad spare tire basket brackets. You can see that here in the directions, part number A0R098. And let's go ahead and get it done.
For starters, we're going to go ahead and remove the original bracket that's attached to the subframe under the van. Then we're going to take our new bracket and tuck it inside behind the subframe. And then take your original bracket and place it on the lower two holes of the extension bracket. I found it a lot easier to do one side at a time so that the cage wasn't hanging down as I was trying to do one side. And as you'll see, the second side does go a lot faster, and now you get a little bit of a closer up view. Again, tuck that bracket inside the subframe or frame extension component. Slide the original bracket up on both sides of the new extension bracket, and tighten all your hardware. Next, it's time to shove your tire back up into position. I didn't record the actual lowering and raising, but here is the finished product. The two brackets in place and the larger tire having plenty of room. And we're almost done. Really important, make sure you reposition the wiring harness. Thanks for watching. See you next time.